Hello guys, welcome to Filament Daily. Today we'll be talking again about ERP SaaS project, which we've covered a lot on this channel already. Another example is notifications, quite complex HTML-based notifications on deleting actions. Example number 1, if you delete the category which is default, then you confirm, but you get this notification with quite dynamic text, including the record name and including which category it belongs to. And also notification is persistent, which means it doesn't disappear until you manually click this one. But even more complex example happens if you bulk delete the locked records. You try to do delete selected, you confirm, and then the same even has a list of categories that cannot be deleted. So how to implement this? This is the source code of that delete action, and you may prevent a delete action with some condition with function before. In the before, we have the record and we can check for something, like if record is enabled, which in this case, in case of SaaS means locked and default, then you fire the notification. Persistent is what gives the behavior of, well, being persistent, and then the text uses translations for multi-language, but these are the variables. So name, category, placeholder, and then type category. And on the right hand side, we provide the value for both. So record name and record type get labeled. This comes from the relationship. So this is how you can construct the dynamic text. In this case, it's not HTML, but just a text, and make it persistent. And for bulk delete, it's even more interesting. So similarly, delete bulk action before we check for something. And if there are default categories within the categories that have been chosen, we construct the notification with body, which is a function using that default category names, and here we construct the message. Again, translation for the general text, following categories currently set, blah blah blah. I don't think there are parameters here. Yeah, but then we add line breaks to here, and then we do for each or array map. So it's not actually a list of UL and LI, but a dot, a bullet with the category name, and then a break for each line. And then we return all that HTML here. The result you already saw on the screen. So it's an interesting combination of a callback function using the parameter, then array operations of array map and implode, and then returning all that HTML. I like that creative solution. That's it for this video. The source code link will be as usual in the description below, so you can play around with it yourself. Subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this one. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.